Hello. So our last lesson that we're going to do um, in mechanics is commas before coordinating conjunctions. So again, we said that mechanics are all the little things in your sentence that are really important, and that is capitalization, punctuation, spelling. So those are called mechanics. And so today's lesson is on commas before coordinating conjunctions. So I'm going to go ahead and share my page with you. And we're going to look at writing our names first. All right. So we have compound sentences and they join two independent clauses, and they can use a coordinating conjunction, which a coordinating conjunction is the following: and, but, or, nor, for, or so. And you're going to use a comma before the conjunction. Okay. So we have some examples below for us to review. The children were curious about the book, comma, for they had never seen one. Children can learn in a classroom, or they can learn through computer lessons. So these are independent clauses, right? This is the subject. Children can learn. They can learn. They had never seen one. How many independent clauses are there in a sentence? What word should connect the clauses? Okay, so we have two sentences right here. We're gonna join them to make a compound sentence using the conjunction shown in parentheses, and we're gonna use the comma correctly. So computers are here to stay. They run many systems in our society. We're going to use and. So I'm going to make this period into a comma. This capital T is going to become a lowercase t. And then we're going to caret in the and. Computers are here to stay, comma, and they run many systems in our society. Okay, perfect. All right, let's do 1 through 3, and then you can do number 4 on your own. Schools might become unnecessary. Each child may be taught by a machine. So we're going to put the period's going to turn into a comma. This is going to become a lowercase e, and we're going to caret 4 in there. Okay. Schools might become unnecessary, for each child may be taught by a machine. Hopefully you can't hear that. My neighbors are doing something loud by the fence. Okay. Let's look at number 3. Any book could be put on a computer. Books might also disappear. So we're going to put this period becomes a comma. We're going to put a so in there. And then this B is going to become a lowercase b. All right, so far so good. Now you're going to do the last one on your own. And I'm going to do the last one on my own, and then we will compare them when we're done. So here we go. Okay, so let's see if ours match up. I also found another boo-boo that I fixed on my page. So it says computer school would be convenient. I changed my period into a comma. I put but in there, but I would miss books, comma, and teachers. So remember we talked about how we use the Oxford comma. So it wouldn't just be books and teachers, it would be books, comma, and teachers. So I capitalized the C on computer, would be convenient, comma, but I would miss books, comma, and teachers. So hopefully yours matches mine. And hopefully you learned a little bit about using commas before coordinating conjunctions like and, but, or, nor, for, and so. Those are coordinating conjunctions. And that's probably even a short list. There's probably a few more than that. All right. Thank you for joining me. Hope you have a good afternoon.